Hi, I'm David. I'm the homeowner here in Lincoln. We've been working with Colored Spots for the last 2 weeks on the bathroom and hallway renovation. My family and I have actually been out of town for the last week, so this is actually our first time seeing the space. We're really excited to take a look, and we figured we would record our first look to share it with everyone and to show Garrett and Liz at Colored Spots just how appreciative we are. So let's go have a first look at our new renovation. So this is our new entryway with a beautiful large format tile. We're thrilled with the way this came out. We did actually see this about a week ago because it was one of the first things that Garrett installed, but we're really happy with the way that looks. And now for the reveal of the bathroom. Wow, this is fantastic. It's kind of hard to capture it all in one video here, but the tile looks absolutely amazing with the black grout. That is fantastic. And then this is our first time seeing this whole custom-built countertop solution that goes over our existing washer and dryer. That is beautiful. And then we have a base cabinet here with a matching countertop. These were custom made by Colored Spots. We have our drying racks here for delicates that fold out of the wall. Very cool. This 1-inch gas pipe for hanging clothes to dry. A really neat shelf here with these clever J-shaped mounts. Brand new toilet, and a farmhouse style vanity, and a custom cut piece of glass for the mirror. Not to mention a beautifully painted room, finished walls, a new ventilation fan and light fixture. Wow. Well, overall, initial reaction is this is fantastic. It turned out better than we could have hoped, and Colored Spots, all we can say is thank you.